There are places on this planet that defy all logic. Scientists have studied them, tried to explain them. But some mysteries remain unsolved. From eerie lights in the sky to landscapes that seem straight out of a sci-fi movie, these 10 locations continue to baffle experts. Are they natural wonders? Or something beyond our understanding? Stay tuned until the end, because number 1 might change the way you see the world forever. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, there's a river so hot that it can literally boil anything that falls into it, instantly. The Shanay-Timpishka, or Boiling River, reaches temperatures of nearly 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 93 degrees Celsius, yet there are no volcanoes nearby to explain it. Scientists are still trying to figure out how an underground heat source could be powering this deadly phenomenon. Imagine seeing glowing orbs floating in the night sky, changing colors, moving erratically, and vanishing into thin air. This isn't science fiction, it happens in Hessdalen, Norway. Scientists have recorded the lights for decades, but no one knows what causes them. Some believe it's a plasma reaction, others think it's a geological phenomenon. And some even suggest it's extraterrestrial activity. A waterfall that swallows water and never gives it back. That's exactly what happens at the Devil's Kettle in Minnesota. One half of the river flows normally, while the other half disappears into a hole, never to be seen again. Scientists have tried tracing where it goes, but all attempts have failed. Where does the water go? No one knows. Hidden for over 5.5 million years, Movile Cave in Romania is like a world from another planet. It has an atmosphere rich in toxic gases and almost no oxygen, yet life thrives here, completely cut off from the outside world. Scientists are still puzzled over how these unique creatures evolved in such extreme conditions. In the middle of Death Valley, California, giant rocks weighing hundreds of pounds move on their own, leaving trails behind them. No one has ever seen them move, and for years, scientists had no explanation. Some suggested magnetic fields, others blamed aliens. Eventually, researchers discovered that a rare combination of ice, wind, and water might be responsible, but to this day, the mystery isn't fully solved. Deep beneath the waters off Japan's coast lies a city-like structure that has baffled experts for decades. Some believe it's the ruins of an ancient civilization, others argue it's a natural rock formation. The precision of the carved steps and platforms suggests human craftsmanship, but if that's true, it would rewrite history as we know it. This lake looks like something out of a horror movie. Lake Natron in Tanzania is so alkaline that it literally mummifies animals that touch it. The high salt content and extreme temperatures create an environment where almost nothing can survive, except a few species that have adapted to its deadly waters. How did such a lake come to exist? Science still struggles to explain it fully. Imagine walking through a forest and finding a waterfall, with fire burning underneath it. Eternal Flame Falls in New York has a small flame that never goes out. Scientists believe it's fueled by natural gas leaks, but why it stays ignited in such wet conditions remains a mystery. In a quiet forest in Poland, hundreds of pine trees bend at a perfect 90-degree angle before growing straight upwards. No one knows why. Some say it's the work of human intervention, others believe it's a natural anomaly. Even stranger? The trees all bend in the same direction, almost as if they were shaped by an unseen force. Imagine a hole in the ground that has been burning for over 50 years. The Darvaza gas crater, also known as the Door to Hell, was accidentally created by Soviet scientists in the 1970s. They set it on fire, thinking it would burn out in days. But it never did. To this day, it remains a flaming pit in the middle of the desert, and no one knows when it will stop. The world is full of mysteries, and these places prove that we still have so much to discover. Which one fascinated you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love unraveling Earth's mysteries, don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing geography facts. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.